If you're new to self-publishing, you may have heard of a platform called Publisher Rocket. Publisher Rocket is a software tool that you can use to help with niche research, category research, also providing keywords for your title, your subtitle, your 7 backend keywords, but also for Amazon advertising. But is it worth the cost of $97 for your self-publishing? Is it really going to make that much of a difference? Well, in this video, I want to provide a review and a tutorial to really help give you an insight whether that purchase or that investment is worth your time and energy. Now, if you haven't been to my channel before, welcome. My name is Romney and I help you with your self-publishing. So let's get into the review and tutorial of Publisher Rocket. Remember, if it was of interest to you and you do want to purchase it, just check out the links below and you'll see a link directly to it that I can provide you. So let's get into things right now. Now, Publisher Rocket was designed by Dave Chesson and his team. Dave Chesson has been involved with Amazon self-publishing for quite a few years, and the way he's put together this platform is quite unbelievable. The way that it can actually draw together keywords, do niche research, and gather all that important data from Amazon really saves a significant amount of time. So let's just scroll down a little bit further. Remember, you can get onto this by using my link below in the description. But if you scroll right down, there's Dave Chesson in the middle right there and his team. If we scroll down a little bit further, we can actually see the pricing of it is $97, and it's a one-off purchase price. Like a few other platforms, once you purchase Publisher Rocket, it provides free updates forever. And I think I've probably received maybe 25 updates since I purchased the platform a couple of years ago. And it gives you that peace of mind knowing that once you've purchased it, you don't have to pay any more ongoing costs. And they also offer a risk-free 30-day money-back guaranteed. So that is, again, peace of mind for you. If you tried it, didn't like it, then you can always get your money back. So that's the website of Publisher Rocket. You can find out a number of different tools that Publisher Rocket has. There's some tutorials you can use. And once you do download it and get it, you'll end up getting a little link like the one just down below here that will load up. If you click on it, it'll load up, and we'll explore that a bit more in a moment when we jump onto Amazon, and I'll show you some of the key features of Publisher Rocket and how to use it effectively. So let's get onto that right now. So for this video, along with the review of Publisher Rocket, I want to give you a practical approach on how to use Publisher Rocket the most effectively. If we were on Amazon bestsellers, and I've just gone to children's books to begin with, if we had a particular keyword or we want to research a different niche, then Publisher Rocket would be a great way to start. And I've been looking at a particular niche, and it's to do with airplane, say, colouring and activity books. And we'll go back, colouring books for kids. So let's have a look at this niche. At the moment, there's 7,000 results. But if we wanted to explore this a bit more, we could probably write something like this, or even use that keyword directly into Publisher Rocket. So I go down here. Once you've uploaded or downloaded Publisher Rocket, it'll bring up this dashboard right here. So if we were to do our initial keyword research, we click on here, then we can choose between books, Kindle, or Audible. I always keep it on books. We plug in our keyword. This will then bring up the main keywords for that particular niche or keyword that we're looking for. What we now are provided with are these magnifying glasses. So these are searches. This will bring up our information, and the shorter this is, probably the better. It might give you more results. But if we have a look at this, we look at airplane colouring books for kids. So average page is 42, number of competitors under 1,000, average price is $6, monthly earnings is 104, Amazon search results 211, competitive score 70. The closer we get to 100, the more competitive. The Green will indicate that it's in the zone that we probably want to be in with low competition. But looking at this one, monthly earnings is quite low. But if we do a new search and we just do airplane colouring books, let's see if it brings up some more results for us. So you can see it gives us some more results. So the less complicated you make the keyword, the better. Let's have a look at our research. So we can click each of these as long as they're relevant to what we're looking for. And you can see the competitive score. So we look for a few different things here. We can see the average prices. We can go more info, and we can probably, well, we'll leave that one for the moment. We can go into that later. We've got our estimated monthly Amazon searches. Competitive score is really good across these. So if we looked at this one right here, so we've got 88 pages, number of competitors under 1,000, average $7, good monthly earnings, and even this one, look at this one here. So airplane colouring books bulk, that's interesting. But let's have a look at maybe this one. We'll look at this one here. Ages 2 to 4, that looks popular and something we could potentially compete in. So I would click this button right here. Then that would bring up some of the books that we would be competing against. You can see the age of the book, that's in days. So you can see there's books here that have been around for quite some time. We can see the monthly sales. The benefit of that is if we scroll down, we can see this book right here, and we can also see the categories that this book is currently featuring under. It's got a current BSR ranking of 4756, number of pages 98, and is the keyword in the title, as in airplane colouring books? No, but it's got airplane activity book. Maybe that's something that we would look at as well. So I might copy that, and then what we're going to do is have another look at, so this is currently under the competitor analyzer. Let's go back to keywords, go to new search. Let's put in this one right here. It's probably a little bit long, but let's have another look. And we can see it bring up a couple of results. And let's see whether this one is worth pursuing. It's under the search results there. It's quite competitive, very competitive there. Let's go back to our competition analyzer. And what I want to do is explore this a bit more, this book. So with Publisher Rocket, it's extracting all this data for us. Can you imagine the amount of time it would take you to extract this data if you're just to search through Amazon? We can then go to check it out, and it will bring up the book right here. It'll give us the full details. So we can scroll down. The book rank currently, the reviews. We can scroll down, have a look inside the book. We can even check out what customers are including. And you might be able to create a book just like this one. So that will give you a good insight into how that is working. So we go back here again, and we might be able to do some other searches as well. So if we go back here, we can see these search results. We can also double check different categories. Maybe there's some things that we want to do. That obviously doesn't seem to be working. We can do an advanced search as well. And this brings up a lot more that we can look through. And we can even export it as well. So if you wanted to export these results, once we actually do the analysis, so I would go through and just check off these that are relevant for what I'm searching for. So if we keep going down, all these look to be relevant for what I'm doing. Some may not be. We'll just look at these keywords anyway. That might be a good one right there. Keep going down. This will give us an idea of books, other keywords that might be relevant to us. We're not going to be looking up airplane disinfectant wipes. So we keep that, or airplane inflatable seat. But it could be airplane books for babies. We could do, what else are there? We could do airplane entertainment potentially. So we go here, we look at our results and you can see that Airplane Activity Books for Adults has average pages of 130, 398 of monthly earnings, 717 search results, and a 20 competitive score. So let's have a look at a little bit more in detail. So we go down here and we can see the different books and how they're actually going, and you can export this competition data as well. You might find that there's a book here that will be the one that we want to do. There doesn't seem to be many books that are potentially bringing much revenue, so that's one thing we need to look at as well. And depends on what the keyword is. So if I'm not sure if that was the one we just went to. I don't think it was. Let's click that off. And let's have a look down here. This one here is producing some really strong revenue. Monthly sales currently ranked at 2,241. Is a keyword in the title? No, but you might be able to use some of these keywords as part of your title. We can unleash the categories as well, so we can look at the different categories that these books are selling under, and it'll tell us how many books we need to sell to get to the top 10 of that particular category. It'll also tell us if there's a large publisher that is publishing within that area or in that actual particular category. So it's got a lot of data here that we can utilize. If we export the competition data, it'll bring up the information, so then we can actually use it and save it, and we can refer to that later on as well. That is a pretty good look at how you can start to use Publisher Rocket to extract this information. It really does provide a comprehensive overview of all these keywords, and again, use the exporting tool to then drill down further and to do some more niche research. You might find a great couple of keywords in here that you can explore a little bit further. Now, to finally have a look at a few things, we can do our category search. If you go into categories and you might do activity, so you've got activity books that come up, and you can see how many sales it would take to get to number 1 within that particular category, 417. And then you can do the insights tool. So if we wanted to have a look at this further, so we've got our activity, Airplane Activity Book. If we go to this one here, and we go to the other way we can do it, we go to Competition Analyzer. Let's check out the book. Let's find out what the actual category is that it's featuring in. So it's travel games. So if we go back to Publisher Rocket and we go to this one here and we go to travel games, we can see it right here. Let's go to the Insights tool and find out how this is going. So it's got a category growth of 42 sales per month. It's on the upward trend. Now, it does say this category has a relatively flat growth at a monthly rate of 4%, but if we can see that it is on the trend upwards, which is great. You can do this for any of those categories. You can find out how many sales to number 1, how many sales to number 10, the average day of the books that are on there, average rating, and the count of the pages as well. You can also check out this one. It's going down on that one. That's Kindle books, so we probably wouldn't want to publish in that one. If we have a look at another book, let's go down and find another one that's doing quite well. Let's go to this one right here. Find out what categories this one is on. So this one's on Logic and Brain Teasers. Let's have a look at that. Sometimes they don't always come up. Let's go Brain Teasers. Brain Teasers, here we are. Let's go to the insights of this one. Quite flat, that growth. It's pretty stagnant at the moment. Keep utilizing these insight tools and it'll really help you to determine really whether it's a niche you should get into. You can then do some further research into these books, looking at the keywords. And then if you wanted to, you could then publish a book within this area. So that's a really great insight for how to use the Publisher Rocket within the category side of things. And then finally, if we wanted to, let's grab, we'll just grab this keyword here. Then what we do is go across our AMS keyword search and we go new search. This will help us get keywords for our campaigns, for our Amazon advertising. Once it's completed its search, it'll come up with different titles, keywords, authors, ASIN. So if you were to create a keyword campaign, you can use all these keywords here that are relevant. You could also target different ASIN books within an ASIN campaign on Amazon ads, and you can also export all this data and filter it to what is relevant to you. You've also got some other tutorials that will help you to introduce you to Publisher Rocket finding keywords. So there's a good overview of how to use a Publisher Rocket effectively. Let me finish off with a few things about my review and how I think you could use Publisher Rocket effectively within your self-publishing. So there you have a comprehensive overview of Publisher Rocket. It will really help you with your keywords, your niche research, looking at competitors and what they're doing. It'll give you that insight tool, but it also helps you with categories and knowing how many books you need to sell to rank in the top 10 of your particular category that you're looking at publishing in. Now, Publisher Rocket, as I mentioned, is a one-off purchase price, which I believe is an advantage to some of the other software platforms that you can use for niche research or keyword research. Now, if they could provide some sort of tracker or insights to tell you what a low competition but high need niche is, that would be amazing, would save a significant amount of time, but I think that might be a fairly long way off. Maybe there's some other ways that they can integrate AI technology into the platform, and I'm sure they'll be working on another way that they can improve or continue to improve Publisher Rocket, and the benefit being that you get those free updates. So I hope you've enjoyed the review that I've provided for Publisher Rocket and a tutorial about how I use it to benefit my self-publishing. So until next time, thanks very much. Make sure you give me the thumbs up if you've liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Anyway, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.